Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Medina and in today's video we're going to spend one day in Bruges, in this fairy tale city which is only 1 hour away from Brussels, Belgium. So join to me in this super exciting tour. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and let's get into the video. There is one thing what you definitely have to do in Belgium, eating a great waffle. So this is what we're going to do right now in here. Look at this, it looks super delicious. I was asking for whipped cream and Belgian chocolate. It looks amazing. I'm sure it also tastes well. So let's try it. Yum! I must tell, this was a good one, but I'm sure that it consumes the whole calorie intake for a day. Here right behind me, probably this is the fanciest McDonald's building what I've ever seen. Look at this, can you believe? We have just arrived to the main square and to be honest, this blows my mind. This architecture in here and all the buildings are just so beautiful. This is insane. You can even climb up to the tower and have a beautiful view to the city, but that's going to be tomorrow's program as today it's already closed. You can find the chocolate store in here and the chocolate store on the other side, and over there is even another one, so you can buy tons of chocolate here in Belgium. Can find so many amazing chocolate stores, so let's visit one and buy some truffles or bonbons or anything what you like. And we have just arrived to the Burg, which was actually a former fortress in here in Bruges. This view in here by the canal is just marvelous, I must say. It's so beautiful all around and so many boats are going on the canals. You can go on a tour as well. It's so stunning in here. We have just arrived only 2 hours ago, but this city is mind-blowing. It's so beautiful, so I highly recommend you to visit this place if you're coming to Belgium. You can visit the main attractions and the downtown of Bruges in 3-4 hours, but just to be fair, that's only going to be the outside of everything, so you're not going to go into any of the museums or stuff like this. So this is going to be another thing for tomorrow. There is a street food festival right now here in the city in Bruges, so we're going to have some dinner in here. You can find here burgers, sausages, Japanese, Vietnamese, Mexican food. So there are so many options and there are tons of people. So I'm sure that this is some kind of top event in here. So we decided to have some pulled pork sandwich, so checking out how is the Belgian barbecue in here. I think we're going to enjoy it. The food was really good, but what is even better, that right now it's 10:30 p.m. and it's full daylight. It's amazing. I really like this vibe. This day on this festival and see you tomorrow in the sightseeing. Bye! Good morning, guys, welcome back. This is, let's say, our second day, but this is still inside the first 24 hours here in Bruges, and we're heading to a breakfast spot to start the day. The morning lights are so pretty in this town. There are so many reflections on the waters and everything is blooming. They are full of flowers. It's so pretty. We just found this place on Google and it had a good rating, so we decided to give a try. And to be honest, it was a good decision. It has a really cozy vibe, the food was nice, and we had a good time here before the sightseeing. So we have just finished with the breakfast. I suggest you this place, that's Toast. Come here, let's visit, and right now let's check out the view to the city. And now let's climb up there. Okay, so basically the tower tour is going to be delayed a little bit because there are time slots to go up, and the next time slot that was available is 1 hour and 30 minutes later. So right now we're going to check out some windmills of Bruges. This square is still so beautiful today. Seems there is Christmas all year in Bruges. We find this store just on our way to the windmills and it's super cool. There are so many decorations. You feel in the Christmas vibe in June, so it's pretty crazy. If you are interested about some French fry history, then you can even find a museum in here to show you all about the potatoes. Whoa! This windmill is actually much bigger than what I expected. It looks so cool. Let me show you. Yay! Look at this over there, and actually over there you can see even another one. I think there are 3 of them in here by the canal, so it's a good idea to walk a little bit to the outskirts as well. After the windmills, we are strolling back to the center because we don't want to miss our time slot to climbing up to the tower. And right now, let's climb up the 366 stairs up to the top. The bells was really important for the city because they had different meanings of the different bells. So it was a bell to tell for people that went to start work, go to have lunch, and even a bell to know that when it's evening and the city gate is going to be closed. But even was another kind of bell which was mentioning if there could be fire in the city. So it's basically an alarm system for everything. was really good to go up to the tower. The bells were super interesting and the music was really nice. However, I think the 15 euro price tag, maybe it's a little bit too much because there isn't even a proper museum what is connected. So yeah, this is my thought, but otherwise it was worth to climb up there. And the next spot on the list is the Basilica of the Holy Blood. This basilica get its name the Holy Blood because they have a glass tube which is actually consisting some blood from Jesus itself, but I will let you to decide on if this is true or not. Bruges is famous about its Lees, so you can find Lees Museum, but there is also, I already showed you the French fry museum, there is chocolate museum, diamond museum, so there are so many interesting stuff what you can choose from, so just pick one what you like and let's visit. Alright guys, we have a little bit of change of plans, so actually instead of 24 hours we're going to spend 21 hours in the city and we're going to leave. But I'm telling you that what is the things what I would do in the rest of the 3 hours if you could really spend in here one day. Let's go and have a lunch, go on a canal cruise. It's only 30 minutes, but you will have another perspective of the city. And let's check out one of the fun museums what I mentioned previously, the French fry or the diamond, chocolate, whatever what you like. And in this case you can fill out this time. Anyway, I hope if you liked today's video. If you do, don't forget to smash the like button, also subscribe to the channel, and we're going to explore new places in the next video. See you!